In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Microsoft Designer. If you've ever wanted to remove a distracting object or clean up a photo without complicated software, this is a quick and reliable way to do it using Designer's generative erase tool. Start by opening Microsoft Designer and creating a new design. Any canvas size works, so choose what fits your project. Next, upload your photo using My Media and place it on the canvas. Make sure the image is selected so it's active. You'll see the selection handles around it, and the editing options will appear. From the toolbar or the side panel, choose Edit with AI, then select Generative Erase. This opens the erase tools designed to detect what you highlight and intelligently fill in the background to keep your image looking natural. You'll choose how to mark the area you want to remove. Quick Select is the fastest option. Click directly on the object or area you want gone, and Designer will automatically detect edges for you. This works well for clear, well-defined subjects like a sign, a person, or an object on a contrasting background. If the edges are complex or the object blends in, switch to Brush Select. With the brush, paint over the exact area you want erased for more precise control. You can zoom in for accuracy and adjust your brush size for tight corners or broader coverage. If you paint too much, simply undo and repaint with a smaller brush to refine your selection. Once you've highlighted the area, click Erase. Designer's AI will remove the selected part and fill the space with content that matches the surroundings, like textures, colors, and lighting. Give it a moment to process. After the result appears, take a close look. If something doesn't blend perfectly, refine your selection. Either add a little more to the area or reduce it, and click Erase again. Iterating like this helps the AI understand what should stay and what should go. When you're happy with the result, continue editing right in Designer if you like. Add text, tweak colors, or crop for composition. If you're finished, download the image to your device. That's all there is to it. Open Designer, place your photo, use Edit with AI and Generative Erase, select with Quick Select or Brush Select, click Erase, and you're done.